So the Shell Girls in Energy, it's about encouraging 14 to 16-year-old girls to consider a STEM career in the energy industry or go on to work in other industries STEM related. The Shell Girls in Energy is one of our flagship sponsorships. We've been sponsoring it for over 10 years now. We've had over 1,000 girls from Aberdeen and Fife pass through it and go on to successful careers.
So today we've got 120 girls from the Girls in Energy programme who are going to learn a new way of thinking to solve some of the complex problems that we all face in society today. And hopefully they'll feel energised, empowered and equipped with tools and skills to actually take on not just global challenges but local challenges.
I think this location is excellent because if you just look around you, the inspiration that the girls have got, all of these science, STEM activities, the inspiration there is excellent, and that's exactly what we're looking for today.
I think these events are really important. I think that the girls are at a stage where they're picking subjects at school, tying in science and technology, engineering, maths, the STEM subjects, and I think having that sort of climate literacy is really important.
So NXplorers is Shell's global education programme. It's been running since 2018 and it now runs in about 20 countries. It encourages young people to think about things differently and give them the confidence to engage with real world issues and create sustainable solutions that the world so desperately needs.
To be an explorer, it takes openness, it takes enthusiasm, and it takes the ability to be able to challenge your natural assumptions.
The Shell Girls in Energy programme over the last 10 years has been designed to try and break down the barriers and try and give the girls the opportunity to feel open and feel free about expressing their views about engineering, expressing their views about STEM.
We were put into groups and we had to come up with an idea on how we could solve a problem to do with energy or food or water. We've had to discuss quite a lot in our groups and debate between each other and give ideas.
Lots of new experiences because I'm almost like with people that I've never met before, and also being challenged with a question that I don't really think about too often.
We're mainly gaining team skills and we're learning to listen to each other.
Just speaking to all the helpers and all the adults, seeing what jobs they do, it's really opened my eyes.
Well, we know that females in general are underrepresented in the STEM subjects and in engineering in particular.
It's really important that we attract young people and skills from all walks of life to join our industry and help us meet the energy transition challenge and get to net zero.
I think the creative thinking and the problem solving the girls all showed was just brilliant. It's that kind of creative thinking, problem solving that we need in our industry.
One of the things I always say to people is try lots of different things. You'll be great at something, and today is key in formulating these ideas about what someone might want to do in the future.
I think we've seen several stars today, and I think all of the girls did brilliantly at thinking through some of the challenges, but also really impressed with the way that they presented them to the audience today.
I've gained a lot of new friends and amazing experience. I've got a lot more knowledge about what I might want to do for the future.
If we can help open people's eyes and maybe spark an interest, we're absolutely delighted.
It's helped me understand how there's so many people trying to make a difference and how much of a big issue it is and what really needs to be done to help.
Knowing that so many young people and adults care definitely opens your mind a bit.